Hey YouTube, good morning. This is March 7th, 2025. This is our wheel from last night. I'm not sure if you guys are going to get that footage because I lost it. I'm currently working on it right now. But this is the results of grinding it down a little bit with a wire wheel, putting some primer on it. I'm sure at minimum I could probably give you guys some pictures of it later on. Now I have to decide what wheel or what color we're going to paint it. So that's our first step for the day. Currently trying to download the videos from my phone to the laptop, and we are currently at 8,000 something photos and 81 videos, and it doesn't seem like we're going to stop anytime soon. So today's video is going to be late. Definitely wrong for now. That's not what I need. Since we don't have what we need, we're going to improvise. I went to put these rivets in there, but I bought that set. I thought it was just all these, but it's not. It's actually for the rivet nut. So, we're out of here. Nice day going back to the store. Right now. Let's just... It's better now. So that's how I go.
arrow. Where's it gone? Here. It has a thing on it. It says get a free sword caddy. All you have to do is purchase the tool, go to arrowfaster.com, write a review. So it's like it's more of a staple thing, but I don't know how we deal with arrow, but check it out. So, pretty simple. All the fittings are stored right here. Pretty cool. Let's see what one we need. Too small. Seems like we don't need any of them. They're all too small. Where'd that go? Looks like we need a smaller rivet. This is the biggest one, which is 3/16, 9/16, and the smallest one is a 3/32. 3/32, 3/32. So let's see what we got over here in the box. This box says it has aluminum rivet set 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. So I would assume that these are 1/2 inch. And I don't think they're talking about this side. I think we're talking about that side. But, so it doesn't look like this gun is going to work for us. And we still need words. How many words? Jesus Christ. I guess that was my fault. I don't know. Can you just do it like that? Like, is that a thing? Would that hurt anything? If I just stuck that in there like that? But it doesn't seem... Oh, we can do that. I don't know if this is going to damage it, but... I just want to get this done so we can get this downspout back where it belongs. Okay, it fits in there. Seems to be doing the job. I think we might could work with it. Now, see, this is going to be a problem because these pieces are made to I guess hold that piece open, and we don't have that option right now. So let's see how we're going to remedy this. Well, I guess if we would have tested it on the piece that we were going to do, we wouldn't be in this predicament. Or we just got the right stuff to do it. But let's see. I recommend you don't do that, what I just did, because it don't want to come out. Now I gotta perform surgery. So I'm gonna assume these are it's gonna take that whole piece out. And if it does, I should be able to get the broken rivet out. But the next question is, will it still work? After that, I am a glutton for punishment. Alright, got the back piece off. And that didn't let that go. Nor did it change anything, so we're going to completely dismantle it. We have to do my favorite thing, C-clips. Boy, they call them C-clips, they need to call them I-clips, because if one of these things go flying, hope you got some eye protection on. But these came off pretty easy. So, guess I have to pull these out. Might come out this other side where this covers at. I'll try to get it out of here first. Nope, they come out the other side. As I push, this comes up. So. Just a sticker. So let's pull this out. Hopefully we can get this back together without any issues. So we already created enough issues, as you see. Try to check on the battery, I don't see it. Alright, so got this out. I'm not even sure how this works. But we can get to that, so let's see if we can get that out of there. Seems like it's coming out. Seems and is two different stories. So I'm assuming this part gets smaller as it goes down and squeezes the rivet. Yep. Who knows? And I think I broke it before we even got started. Me oh my. Wow. There's our puppy. Right there. City. Hey. Alright, so how do we get this out? How do we get that out of there? Don't know. Guess we have to get a little bit more creative. Maybe we should try to... I don't know. Maybe we should use a tool like we're supposed to use a tool. Well, it turns. Well, don't do that. This goes back in there like that, but we have to fit these teeth in here and the top piece here. Or do they go in here? Where do they go? We have to assume on top of here, but you kind of have to do them all at the same time or they're going to fall out. So let's put that there. Okay. So we got that there. Let's get that back in there. There's a spring inside of this bigger part in my hand. Alright, got that back in there. Let's make sure that's tight. Alright, that's tight. Seems to still have its spring. Hopefully we can still get the correct size rivet in there. Alright, so that's done. Let's put this assembly back in. It's got these little teeth in there that goes at the bottom. We got our handle. Assuming that's going to go like that. That's going to go down to spring it. See if we can get a pin. Probably wait on that. This is gonna be the tricky part. There's two. And our spring is not in there. I could probably. I'm gonna pop this back one out right here. See if I can get enough room. Yep, pop that in there. Got that in there. Let's put this back. And that ain't gonna fly like that. So let's pop this back out. Pull that down. Get that in. Yep, got that in. Let's put this pin back in. Looks like we're gonna be okay thus far. Let's get our cover back on. Keep a note of my pins there. Make sure they don't come out. Just want to get everything else back in before I put those in. that started. Got that started. Got that started. Alright, we're all back together. I think we're gonna be alright. Let's get these C-clips back on. Oh, it almost flew. See if we can still get a fitting in there after we done banged it all up. And we can. So I think I'm gonna wait till I can get the correct side rivets. Meanwhile, this is still drying, still sticky to the touch, so it's kind of cold. This is gonna take a while. Alright, I think I got the right stuff now. Long rivets. These are 3/16. Let's see what it make of. I hope our rivet gun still works after that whole ordeal. These are 3/16. So let's find that. I think that says 3/16. I don't know. It fits. It fits, so I'm gonna put that one in there. Now I'm wondering if my hole is too big now that I drilled earlier. Guess we're gonna find out, huh? Fits in there nice. Let's take our screw out. Put that back in later. The rivets are a little stronger, so I like to put a rivet in here. Let's take a rivet in. And our hole is too big now. So we need a smaller drill bit. Probably 3/16. And they put these things in here so tight, can't get it out. Or maybe the plastic is just small because it's cold outside. Yep, that's what she said. Alright, so let's put a hole there. Just the one. Just the two. We're in. Two, three. And there we have it. Got one rivet. And put another one down here. Towards the end. Uh-oh. Still got that piece in there. I don't know. I don't know about that. Oh, it comes right out. Look at that. On the assumption that they go out the back. So, but I'm not going to complain about it. Alright, we got two rivets. And I'm going to put another one there. Just to be sure. I don't know what's up. I don't know what the problem is. Do that. Push that in like that. Oh. We got a rivet there. There. Easy as pie. Alright, I'm going to stick these two screws back in here. because I have them. And why not? Alright. That's that. We have this piece. And I'm trying to remember how this goes. So it's gonna go this way because it has a hole in the front here and a hole on the other side. And this must be the upper part, since it goes on the inside. Gonna crimp this in a little bit. Get it in there. Take out this old screw. We're in there. So take this out. One hole. Well, that didn't work out too well, did it? That didn't work out too well. That's okay. Alright, so let's put this side in. So that way we know it's not going to move. Got it in. And I drilled that side. Not sure if it went all the way in. I think it's in there. And that's not all the way in. But we're gonna come back to that. Oh, we got two different pieces here. I didn't even realize that.
But these are rivets. So apparently someone already been here. So just in case you guys were wondering, this rivet gun was 25 bucks. And this box of the correct size rivets was 10. So if you ever, have a downspout that's separating or something like that, you can make a fix on it for about 40 bucks. Even if you bought this at a Home Depot, the downspout, you probably paid about 100 bucks for this complete replacement. And this is the bigger one. This is like, what? Let me see. It's like 4-inch downspout. So I'm not even sure you could even find this at Home Depot or your local hardware. This is commercial grade, commercial size, or for a large roof. So look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what's going on there. This is all dug out. But these have rivets. Yeah, that's a rivet. And that's, well, no. These are screws. It's even better. I'm glad I showed you all that. Because this is not even that good. That's separating, so we're going to have to take this apart. These are all screws, so let's get these screws out and get the fixer. That off. Set that to the side. Get that off. I'm out here working, it's getting dark out. But I would like to put this back tomorrow. Because one, it won't take that long. Tomorrow's Saturday. It won't take that long to put back up. And we don't have to do it on Monday. So, this is a little bent out of shape. Take my hatchet. See if we can bang that out a little bit. This piece, pull that out a little bit. And honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is actually my first time ever even repairing a downspout.
But we're repairing, and the client wants us to repair, so we're gonna repair it. So I could get somebody in there to replace it, and you know, they wouldn't mind if they had to pay a little more, but sometimes you have to have the client's back. If they always calling you, I'm not gonna make $1 million off of it. But guess what? They pay me consistently, so gotta look out for them. Everything's not a home run. But even the small, I consider small jobs home runs, because if you can do it, make a couple bucks, they save a couple bucks, you can make a couple bucks tomorrow. I want to say a slow grind is a sure grind. Oh, look at that. Alright, now let's get this back on here. This is beat up pretty bad here. It's only tinsel. It's only tinsel. You know, if you get hurt, you go to the hospital, they're only gonna give you band-aids and duct tape. They give you some band-aids, some gauze, wrap it up with tape, and clean you up. That's all we doing here. Band-aids and duct tape. That second hole a little. Get it together. That side, this side. Probably could have got this done earlier, but I took a long break. Went, picked the kids up, and took a break. There. Now, what I'm seeing here is, see, that's sticking out. It's okay on this side because this side is going to go in. This side, we might have some issues. This ain't looking pretty, but doesn't need to. Just needs to fit. This is gonna go that way. Now we come to the issue part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this rivet out. I guess I have to drill it out now, right? Take that out, or I could just cut it. And if there's an issue, I can just put another hole, another rivet. It's dark out here, I can barely see. I'm gonna get back to this in the morning. I'm done for the night. Oh, I might put one more coat of paint on here. Let's check that out. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty shiny. Let's see if I got some light for you. Hold on. Look at that, nice and shiny. Nice and glossy. It's not gummy anymore. Get me a rag and wipe that down. I think that's gonna look nice with all four wheels. So I'll put another coat on there. By the morning, it should be ready to go.
Nice coat on there. I wonder if there's ever a balancing issue with because someone painted their wheels. That'd be interesting to know. That's a nice coat. Nice coat in the dark. Alright, let's turn it over. It's the back side. It's gonna look nice. We got 3 more wheels to go. I think I'm gonna need some more spray paint. Other wheels aren't this bad though. This is for the white truck. Trying to get it back on the road. That's my main focus now. Everything else I've been doing is just extra. I get bored real easy. And I need to be extra. Paint on it. I ain't really worried about this side too much because it's the inside, but still want to do the good job. If it ain't right, then I'm gonna know. I'll be a little self-conscious about it. But I think that's good for now. Alright. Well, I'm done for the night.